Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Chime virtual card anywhere. First, you should download the Chime application on your mobile phone, whether you are using Android or iOS phone. And after that, open the application and it will show you this main page right here. And now you have to get to your own virtual card. And to do that, you should simply click on this gear icon on the top left corner. Just tap on it. Then you will have to scroll down till you get to this section right here, debit card. And after that, you will have to choose your card. Then it will show you your virtual card or temporary card. And it will have the expiration date, the security code, and also the card number on it. But here I have just blurred all these information. And by using this information, you can use it as a virtual card in order to pay online transactions. And if you want to use it in store purchases, you should add it to digital wallet. So you should simply add it to Apple Pay or Google Pay, enter all this information on your card, then you will be able to use it in stores as any other cards on your digital wallet. But make sure you have the latest version of the application and you have your account verified and your card granted. And that is it. This is how you can actually use it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.